Hello, in this video we'll show you how to pay with PayPal on Epic Games. Now it's a very easy process. So open your browser and simply choose the game that you want to buy. Then click on buy now right over here. And then in the payment page you will find a lot of options depending on the country that you're in. And over here you will also have the option of PayPal. Click on that option. Then if you want to save your PayPal account right over here, just simply choose yes, but in my case I'm going to choose no. Now what you have to do is enter your zip code, state and city, and after that just simply click on place order. And now you will be redirected to the PayPal login page, so wait for a few seconds. Now right over here all you have to do is just simply enter your password, then just simply log in. And after that just simply click on agree and pay and complete the transaction. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.